I just want this place smelling good. Yeah, I don't like that. I don't like how it's diffused like that. You know, the wood panel's up. Check this side of the room. Wood panels up over here too. I'm gonna take those strips out, put them behind my desk. Against the wall, it's completely different. But when it shows like that, I don't like how it looks. Got some rope lights I'm going to put in here. For that, I have to clear this shelf right here. This is where we at right now at the gaming room. Took a break, went on vacation, and I'm back to this mess. Today, I'm gonna put a hold on the setup and clear this table over here, clear this section over here, and reorganize my Alice drawer unit. I'm not gonna record all that. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. All right, well, it's skinned in black. Now I have to take all these cords and knickknacks and stuff them in here. Oh, organize them in here. This was my wife's table, work desk, and that got turned into her vanity. But now it's basically a desk for whomever. If this doesn't become a personal area, I might make this into a desk to do product reviews on, if anything like that. I think I have a spot on my. Actually, let me just show you. This right here is gonna be clean and empty. The only thing that's gonna be on here is Alexa. I know she's gonna come on. She's gonna say something. And the lamp over here. I do have a arm right here that I do hang my camera from. I hang my phone on or my camera for, or a light if when I'm doing work on my PC. I'm gonna start the cable management. It's double-sided tape right here. Got some sleeves. I think I could squeeze these in. I don't know. I might use these for these right here, the cords right here. If I would have got rid of this part of the desk and just use this part, then I could have just put it on the other side of the room, because there's an outlet like there's an outlet right here. You know, there's an outlet right here, and also too in the gaming room. Listen, I know sometimes it's a man cave for some. Fellas, please get yourself a plug-in. I got a plug-in, and I got me a air purifier that actually has where you can put in oils, and it scents, and the scent comes up. I got me some candles. I just want this place smelling good. Let's bring out this. Ties. I think I might need more zip ties. Okay, so now we're behind it. Yeah. So I never really talked about these monitors, monitor arms, when I got them a few years back. But I like them because, one, the weight on them makes sense. I like how they have these. I'll show you. This right here. So basically, it helps with cable management. Just go underneath this arm, and the only thing I need to do is take the two cords, put it in here. So this is how it looks right now. I'm gonna go ahead and work on that. All right, so as you saw, simple. Cord goes in here, goes in here, goes in here. You know, main monitor is gonna be a little more difficult because almost all the ports are being used right now. I don't want the cords to show at all. So with these, I'm gonna have to actually, with these cords, bring them up here, right? So there's gonna be a loop going up. bricks. Of course, you can't fit. So what I'm gonna end up doing is putting some double-sided tape on them so they can stick underneath the table. Pass these cords to this way. This is where we at right now. As you can see, only thing I did was put the power blocks up, and that's about it. Every time I feel I'm making some progress, something happens. Surge protector. All these outlets has USB-A and one USB-C. I'm fine with that, right? And this right here, right? No issue. But the issue that I have is not with the plug, it's with the outlet. When I have the surge protector plug in, like so, right? Look how uncomfortable this is. So now what I have to do is go to the breaker box, turn off the right one for this room, then switch that around. I didn't want to do that, but I have to do it. All right, and it is done. What underneath the table is looking like. This is where the surge protector is. These right here were over here. I took them out, both of them off, and I put the surge protector underneath the table over there. You know, it has to go there just because the outlet is over here. The one thing that's bothering right now is this monitor has a short cord. What I'm gonna have to actually do is use a extension cord underneath the table to properly manage this. I'm gonna have to do that. I have no choice but to do that. So we're gonna start from that side of this, all the way around. That's the drawers underneath. Got the power bricks, go a little around. You got the Gobi light, got the Elgato capture card. And over here, I had to get creative with some a little more zip ties. And then I use this right here to hide majority of the cords. You have the PS5, an extension cord, the monitor is plugged into. Behind the PS5, I have fans, just because it gets a little warm in here. So I got some fans to help with that. And we got the PC. Took me some time, but I got her done. Currently, the only cord that's coming from the desk is just this right here, which is connected to my gaming chair, which is gonna be on the next video. So stay tuned for that. And there it goes. Cable management done.